Hi, morning, and welcome to Arty, Tots in the garden again. It's Libby and Lucy. We're going to be thinking about flowers today because all the flowers, it's springtime, are starting to come out and look pretty. So we're going to make 4 different types of flowers, pictures and actually making them. So the first one is this one here. So all you need is some paper, fold it up in half, and then it's easier if you make a line with a pencil, and then you're going to cut all the way up to the line. The line helps you.
This is one
I've done earlier. When it's finished,
you'll have lots and lots of thin lines. You can have thick lines, thin
lines, doesn't matter what width they are. Fold it out, turn it over. It's a bit tricky, this one, because they all want to fly out. Fold it over, and then all you need is a bit of glue down the edge. Roll it over and try and match them up. The edges all the way along, like that. And then you can get a stick or a pencil, doesn't really matter what it is. Bit of tape. Tape it onto the edge. Like that. And then start rolling your flower. And keep rolling. And rolling. You need another bit of tape just to secure it so it doesn't come out. Going. You can do yours a bit slower so you're a bit more careful than this one. Get a bit of tape. Make sure it's secure. And there's your flower. That's one type. And you can do that with paper, any kind of paper, or magazines if you've got at home, or anything like that. And then the second type of flower is a tissue paper flower. One of these. So all you need is to cut some tissue paper up a rectangle, and I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 about the same size, and then you're going to fold them, concertina them. So 1, like that, so that you're making like a fan. And when you've finished, and right in the middle, pinch the middle, and then all you need is, you can use string, you can use tape, or one of these little ties that you have, that you get for like plastic bags, and just twist it up. Or if you've got string, you're going to hold it. And then, this is the fun part, you start unravelling them. Unravel one side, and then unravel the other side, so they're matching. Okay, when you've got them meeting in the middle, then you're going to lift each of the flaps up. You have to do it quite gently because it's tissue paper with these, so the tissue paper does start to break if you do it too harshly. Okay, when you've done both sides, you'll get a flower like that. And you can then make another one if you want, and add them together so that they're a pom-pom like that. And again, you can put them on a stick. Lucy's going to show you 2 more ways of making flowers now.
Hello, now my 2 ideas, I've got 2 very quick ideas. One is that you, using an old pot, a yogurt pot or rice pudding pot, make some circles, but make sure you do circles with the rainbow colours, so red, green, purple, yellow, blue and orange. And then you fold them up like this, and then you stick them on a piece of paper with the rainbow colours and make some stems for yourself. That's just one idea to make a different kind of collage. Look at the colours. And this one is super easy but super gorgeous. I used some green leftover card and I cut some strips. Let me cut these down. I cut some strips of paper from an A4 sheet, just strips like that, and then you just go like that and glue them on, and just glue the ends like that so that they stick up, and a bit of yellow in the middle. Now you've got a daisy craft, which is lovely. You could turn that into a card, or a greeting card, or just have it as a display, which is really nice in my art corner. If any of you haven't seen it yet, those are ladybirds from last time. Right, see you next time. Bye. Today's song is 5 little peas in a pea pod press. So get your peas down like this. 5 little peas in the pea pod press. 1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and they grew and they did not stop, until one day the pod went pop.